We drove to Canyon City, Colorado to jump on the Royal Gorge Express, and the views here are breathtaking. This was a 2-hour train ride through the gorge, and it was beautiful, and they decorated the train for the Christmas season.
Here we are walking through the gift shop on our way to board our train and start our adventure.
Andrew bought us tickets on the top part of the train with the best views in the house.
Today we experienced something truly unforgettable. Our son Andrew and his girlfriend Keiko gave us a gift, a day at Royal Gorge, and it turned into one of the most beautiful and emotional moments we've shared as a family. We boarded the Royal Gorge Railroad with Andrew and his girlfriend, excited, hopeful, and ready for whatever lay ahead. As the train slowly carried us deep into the canyon, we sipped cocktails and shared snacks, watching the sheer granite walls rise around us. Below, the mighty Arkansas River wound through the gorge, rushing far below the tracks.
One, two, three, four. What you say, you better watch what you do to me. Don't get carried away, girl. If you can do better than me, then go. Yeah, go. But remember, good love is hard to find. Good love is hard to find. You got lucky, babe. You got lucky, babe. When I found you. You put a hand on my cheek, and then you turn your eyes away. If it don't feel complete, if I don't take you all of the way, then go. Yeah, go. But remember, good love is hard to find. Good love is hard to find. You got lucky, babe. just go. But remember, good love is hard to find. Good love is hard to find. You got lucky, babe. You got lucky, babe. And I found you.
Eventually, we stepped off the train and made our way to the thrilling highlight, the Royal Gorge Bridge. Built decades ago to span the gorge, the bridge stretches an impressive 1,260 feet across the chasm, and its deck stands approximately 955 feet above the Arkansas River far below. The sheer scale of that gap and the height hits you the moment you step onto it.
Yeah, that was.
She said it's cold outside and she hands me my raincoat. She's always worried about things like that.
We took the aerial gondola across the gorge. From that vantage point, the gorge spread wide and wild beneath us, sweeping rock walls, the winding river, the depth and scale that photos alone can't convey. The wind whistled, the air was thin and fresh, and the view was humbling.
She said it's all gonna end and it might as well be my fault. And she only sleeps when it's raining, and she screams, and her voice is strange. She says, baby, it's 3 a.m., I must be lonely. She says, baby, well, I can't help but be scared of it all sometime. And the rain's gonna wash away, I believe it. She's got a little bit of something, God, it's better than nothing. And in a color portrait, well, she believes that she's got it all.
We made our way to the thrilling highlight, the Royal Gorge Bridge. Built decades ago to span the gorge, the bridge stretches an impressive 1,260 feet across the chasm, and its deck stands approximately 955 feet above the Arkansas River far below. The sheer scale of that gap and the height hits you the moment you step onto it. As we walked across the bridge, step by step, slow and steady, letting the enormity sink in, each footfall, each glance down the gorge, every rush of wind reminded us how powerful, how alive, how breathtaking this place is.
Don't hang quite as high as it used to. And she
Thank you, Andrew and Keiko, for this gift. Thank you for giving us a day wrapped in wonder, love, and connection. Thank you for giving us a memory we will carry in our hearts forever. Because some experiences, no matter how many photos, videos, words, can never truly show what it felt like to be there, but they can remain forever in our hearts. Here's to more journeys, more shared moments, and more memories together.